Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. So what is going on with the deck? It has been 9 days since I uploaded the last video, and that was about this deck. That was actually an update video, and I have done a little bit of work on it since then, but I am running into some issues. So let me tell you what's going on. The work I have done on the deck was I removed the bearings out of the spindles to see if I could re-grease these bearings even though they are non-serviceable. What I did was I just pried the seals out of it. I washed them out real good. I cleaned them real good, got all that old grease out of there, put brand new fresh grease in it, and I have this one installed. It's not making any more noise. Well, it's still kind of making noise, but it's not as bad as it was. And this one over here, so I have the blade and spindle installed and everything, but I can't get the pulley on there because I made the mistake of hammering on this part instead of putting the bolt back on there and hammering on the bolt instead. And that caused the top of this metal to spread out or widen up a little bit. So I'm fixing that, and I lost this bolt while I was trying to hammer out the bearing out of that spindle. Oh no. So that I can't put that one on there at all yet. And a lot of other stuff in the background has been going on too. I've been really busy. So we need to order new bearings for the deck, but I have no idea where to buy those bearings. I have looked very hard for them all over the internet. I've read forums, especially the Wheel Horse forum, and they tell me the part number. I know exactly what I need. The part number is 100574, I think. I'll put the correct one up there if I said that wrong. But that is what I need. I need 3 of those bearings. I need them pretty quickly if I want to get this thing done. We only have one working mower right now, and that's the John Deere. So I really need to get this thing up and running as soon as I can, and repaint it too. I did some scrubbing on it, but then I decided I better do the bearings first before I paint it, and I'm very glad I did that. I need the bearings first, and after I get the bearings, we will go ahead and start repainting this. If you guys have any of those bearings for sale or something, or you know anybody who's selling them, please contact me or put a comment down below. I do apologize about the lack of uploads. I've been trying to make a video, but each time I make one, something goes wrong, such as I just cannot find these bearings for sale anywhere. So yeah, after we get the bearings installed on the deck, I will upload that full video, and then in the next video, we will repaint it. And hopefully that'll be pretty soon after we get the new bearings on there. I hope you guys will be looking forward to those future videos. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. And if you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, wait a minute. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.